Hey guys, it's Yaylin. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be trying out devacurl Melt Into Moisture. Now, if you guys have heard about this mask before, this is a $36 deep conditioner, and basically I've been wanting to try it, so I went ahead, picked it up, and I want to see if it's worth the $36 basically. So this is the devacurl Melt Into Moisture matcha butter conditioning mask, and I did pick this up from Sephora for an 8 fluid ounce. It costs $36 and it says treatment. So yeah, we're gonna be trying this out, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get straight into it. By the time I post this, I should be at 18K, so thank you all for 18K, and if I'm not already, I am close to it, so thank you all. And yeah, let's get into it. So you guys remember I went to that devacurl event, so I did pick up the devacurl No Poo Decadence that I didn't get to try out yet, but I just tried it to shampoo my hair before deep conditioning. This stuff feels amazing. It felt like I co-washed my hair. It was super moisturizing. So far I do like the Decadence No Poo better than the original one. Like, this one had way more moisture, and it just felt more cleansing, and it also smelled amazing. So y'all, the No Poo Decadence is bomb. Let's get into this. But I feel like it has a little bit of tea tree in it because I feel like something's tingling. So $36. So of course it looks green because of matcha. That's what's in it. Doesn't really have a smell. Like, usually matcha products have like a strong smell. Oh, but it's thick. And if you guys know, I do like to apply my deep conditioners all over my hair first, and I'm not usually a huge fan of thick filling deep conditioners. We're gonna see how much this melts into moisture in my hair. So far something's melting. I feel it melting into my hair even though it's thick. I feel it melting. Can even do a little bit of finger detangling with this. So far not so bad, but for the ounce size, man, 8 ounces, $36. So far, as soon as I'm letting it sit in my hair and I'm just running it through, infused with moisture instantly. Like, wow, it feels super moisturizing, and honestly I can't think of any other deep conditioner that I've put in and it made it feel like this moisturized. So I can't even say like, oh, here's a cheaper product you guys can use. This is feeling pretty moisturizing. So let's go ahead and detangle my hair and see how it makes it feel. Okay, I'm basically gonna re-wet each section, but I forgot to give y'all some details like I usually do. It says, if your natural hair texture is prone to extreme dryness or your curls are parched from moisture zapping weather, this luxuriously creamy mask is just what the curl doctor ordered. This nourishing treatment is like a magical elixir for dehydrated curls. The buttery texture won't weigh hair down, but it melts into every strand, infusing hair with moisturizing matcha green tea butter, vitamin-packed sweet almond oil, and protective beetroot extract. This rich formula leaves all curl types shiny, silky soft, and completely transformed. For a quick moisture boost, apply after cleansing and let it sit for 3 minutes. So only 3 minutes. But if you need more intense hydration, cover hair with a plastic cap for 15 to 20 minutes with or without heat. For maximum moisture, leave on overnight, rinse thoroughly, use once a week as needed. I think I'm going to do the plastic cap 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm going to use heat because I bought this hooded dryer and I might as well use it if I'm paying for it. So I will be using this dryer. Y'all, I got some slip or whatever. I'm able to detangle, so okay. Okay guys, so now that I know that it detangles well, I'm going to continue this process all over my head and then come back to you guys. Alright guys, I finally made it to the end, and the moisture is going crazy with this product. Like, super moisturizing. Now, when I'm reapplying just a little bit to each section, you really only need just a little bit. Like when I keep re-wetting and just applying a little bit more so I can detangle my hair, a little bit goes a long way because it's so thick and moisturizing. So this time the thickness of the product did not bother me at all because it was so moisturizing, and it ends up melting in your hair instead of just staying on top and sitting on top and not doing anything. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hair into a low bun. I'm going to cover it with a plastic cap, and then I'm just going to sit under my hooded dryer for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it out with cold water, and I'm going to come back and show you guys what my curls are looking like. Okay guys, so I just rinsed out the deep conditioner, and I must say my hair feels so bomb. It feels really moisturized, hydrated. My curls are soft. My hair just overall feels revitalized with this product. Now, is it worth $36? Honestly, I would say yes, because I do not have a deep conditioner to compare to this that makes my hair feel moisturized in the way that this one did. For instance, you could say like the 3-minute Miracle Curls. Remember I said it was infused with a ton of moisture? That moisture almost felt like an artificial moisture because, of course, Ozzy has like silicones in it and stuff. But DevaCurl is free of sulfate, parabens, silicone, so it didn't feel like a fake layer of moisture. This felt like actual like penetration, like actual moisture was penetrating into my hair strands. So my hair was left actually feeling actually moisturized instead of feeling like there was a layer of moisture sitting on top of my hair that wasn't real. So this actually for $36, I would say it's worth the money, but the price is steep, and for the amount that you get, I don't like that, but it works. These are my curls afterwards, and they're just popping and revitalized. As y'all saw in my last DevaCurl video, I felt like after I used the products, my hair was just brought back to life, and they actually do something for my hair. Like my hair actually is liking DevaCurl products. So yeah, I don't want to ramble on too long. I like the product. It was good. And yeah, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.